What's up, guys? Here's one of my rare live rolls that I want to share with you guys. It's against Khabib from the gym. He's a bit of a trash talker, but good fun to roll with. He goes for guillotine, as he loves that. I give him there a little bit. Let's see what happens. He wants to close in a DOS or an Anaconda, or God knows what it is. Not much is happening. He keeps playing with his elbows there, and then he sits down his weights there. I can feel that he gets a bit lower. There it comes, and I go, you know what? Good time to flip. Here we go. Let's pass this guard. Get a side control-ish thing there going on. And he gets a little kiss with the chin on the muscle there on the jaw. Bit disrespectful, but I love it in my gym, so at least once per match is okay. Oh, he jumped quickly in for my legs there. That was not very fair, but we end up at the same spot. About to do the same again, but it's not fair, so I won't do it. So I change to something else. I'm wondering a little bit what to do here. He's flapping a lot. So maybe we do a little mounts? How about a mounts? That sounds fair. I go for the mount. Oh, he pushes me back and he mocks me there. And I'm going, really? Well, you know what? He has an Americano. Boom. Alrighty. So he's not too happy about it. But I'm encouraging him to come up and try again. He's probably going to win the next one. So he's going to start from the bottom. That's not a good idea. All right, fair enough. Yeah, up again. All right. Grabbing my neck. All right. He's going to do something really creative there, I guess. Nope, nothing. All right. I'm just waiting, basically. I'm too heavy and too tired to do anything. Oh, he grabs my neck. He loves guillotines, this guys. So he grabs my neck, but, you know, it's just easy to roll out of these. Not a big deal. And we're on top again. You're going to see my crazy speed of passing the guard. Boom, boom. That was so fast. And now I'm have some side control situation going on again. You know, a little bit of daddy's milk there. How about that? How about a squeeze? Yeah, you go. There you go. Nice little tap there. All right. My t-shirt is pretty disgusting at this point, so I would have tapped as well. He's a bit discouraged here, but don't be. Let's go again. Bam, bam. I start sitting down. Oh, quick pass to the back. Didn't even notice it. He put his hooks in. I play a little bit with his foot. Nothing happens from this. He's very flexible. He's grabbing my neck again in some kind of fashion. Oh, there's a toe. There's a toe hold. Oh, there's another toe coming as well. Nice. That's a quick tap. All right. Let's continue from here. No big deal. Oh, this arm is stretching his arm a little bit too much. That looks like. There's a number. There's a number. Yeah. Tap again. Oh, that's a lot of tapping. By the way, the wet floor is not sweat. He's been crying a little bit before, so this is tears. All right. What should we try now? Yeah, we can start like this. All right, whatever. He's probably going to take the guillotine again, isn't it? Yes, of course he is. He loves those. But, I mean, same results. Come on. You take it, you get flipped. Now we are here one more time. And with a bit of hand fighting, bit of knee fighting, bit of hand fighting and knee fighting. And, oh, that comes a little bit of weird Americana there on his arm. So, there was a bit of frantic tap from there. Now he says something about, I hate this video, I never want to do jiu-jitsu again. I tell him, don't worry about it, you still have a few years in you, since he's 20 years younger than me. So let's try some turtle. Alright, what are you going to do, grab guillotine again? Really? Really? That's what you're going to do? Yep, he's grabbing some kind of guillotine again. And then he kind of lays down by himself, which is just a rollout, basically. 45 minutes left. Alright, well, no. Let's try from here. Yes, that's looks like a guard. Look like he's putting up an open guard, but it's not really a guard. What is it? I don't know. I'm jumping over. Let's get to here. Side control again. Oh, there's a little foot that just stuck in. Oh, that foot is there again. There's another tap. Ah, okay. Let's continue. No, that's it. Alright. Well, that's it. Okay, everybody. Well, thank you, Khabib. See you next time.